Welcome to Redwood Cafe Tours. Before diving into our shared experiences page, you must have realized that making friends as an adult has been a daunting challenge. Gone are the days of shared dorm rooms and easily accessible social circles. Instead, we face busy schedules, fear of rejection, and the awkwardness of starting fresh connections. Despite these barriers, cultivating friendships is vital for mental and emotional well-being. Small group travel offers a unique solution, creating opportunities to meet like-minded individuals in an immersive and transformative way. Here's how it works and why it might be the answer to your friendship struggles. Why is it so hard to be making friends as an adult? Adult life doesn't lend itself easily to making friends. Without structured social environments like school, we must proactively seek connections. Factors such as packed schedules, hesitation to put ourselves out there, and the vulnerability of initiating friendships often hold us back. However, friendships are essential for our health. They help reduce stress, enhance our sense of belonging, and provide perspectives our partners or family may not. The good news? Friendship is not limited by age or circumstance. While it may take effort, the rewards of genuine connection are immense. How small group travel creates connections. Traveling with a small group of strangers might sound intimidating, but it's the perfect environment for friendship to flourish. Here's why. Shared experiences. Exploring a new destination together creates a shared narrative, whether it's hiking through a breathtaking landscape or bonding over local cuisine. These moments naturally build camaraderie. Structured interaction. Small group tours often include planned activities that encourage interaction without forcing it. This removes the awkwardness of figuring out how to break the ice. Diverse perspectives. Small groups attract people from various backgrounds, offering opportunities to learn and grow through others' experiences. These differences often lead to surprising and meaningful connections. The benefits of meeting new people while traveling. Stepping out of your comfort zone. Traveling fosters personal growth by pushing you into new environments. Engaging with others in this setting builds confidence and eases social barriers. Freedom to be yourself. Among strangers, you're free to present your authentic self without the baggage of preconceived notions or past relationships. Instant bonding. Facing the unfamiliar together, whether navigating a foreign city or laughing over a travel mishap, creates immediate bonds that often last beyond the trip. Tips for embracing friendship through travel. Join with an open mind. Be prepared to meet people of different ages, cultures, and interests. Curiosity is key to forming meaningful connections. Be vulnerable. Don't be afraid to share about yourself. This openness helps others feel comfortable and creates mutual trust. Stay connected. Once the trip ends, maintain your newfound friendships. A simple message or reunion plan can keep the connection alive. Making friends as an adult may be challenging, but it's far from impossible. Small group travel provides an exceptional avenue to forge connections in a supportive and engaging environment. By sharing experiences, stepping out of your comfort zone, and embracing the diversity of your travel companions, you can create friendships that enrich your life for years to come. So why not take that first step? Select one of the shared experiences and complete the form. Your next adventure might just introduce you to your next lifelong friend or group of friends. Thanks from Redwood Cafe Tours.